Ready to see what a day in the life of a farmer looks like? Here we go. Thanks for joining us. We just thought this would be a really fun way to take you behind the scenes on basically a weekend's worth of work. We put up our trellises for our peas and our beans, which actually took longer than we really expected. We laid down our tarps, our silage tarps for our warm season crops that are going to be coming out really soon. And we got our potato beds dug and planted, which took the shortest amount of time out of all of it. So we are so excited to see all of this really start going. This area over here is already growing and starting to produce, which is really exciting. And this will be transformed before you know it. So thanks again for watching. I'm Landon Gilfillan with Little Pine Farm and Pepper and Pine Garden Designs, growing gardeners and their gardens. And we'll see you in the next video. Woo!